Okay, what I've done here is to hand draw out the schematic I came up with for my version of a electronic powder trickler. And this consists of two relays, relay 1 and relay 2. It consists of two diodes, one here across the coil and one here across the coil. It consists of two resistors, R1, which is 3.8K, and R2, which is 100K. It consists of one transistor, that is a 2N3904, that's an NPN common transistor. It consists of a momentary contact type push switch. It consists of the trickler motor, which I supplied to part number 2. And it consists of the photo sensor and a power supply. Pretty simple, easy circuit. So let's see if we can go through it here and see if we can make some sense out of it. Okay, what I've done here is wire this so R1, when the power supply is plugged in, will provide voltage from the wiper to the normally closed contact, and from there to your switch. So what happens is you plug the power supply in, you plug your sensor in, you plug your trickler motor in to your electronic box that you make, and let's say you throw a charge on your powder measure and you throw it light deliberately because you want to be able to trickle it in and achieve a perfect load every time. So what you'll do is you'll push the start button here. When you do that, this relay is pulled in. It uses its wiper and its normally open contact. Well, since that's pulled in, it keeps the contact closure across this switch and turns on the motor. Okay? Then it starts to trickle your powder charge, and when your balance beam actually breaks the signal going across here on your sensor, then the output from the sensor applies a voltage to the base of the transistor, and your ground is made to this relay contact here, and the relay turns on for a brief second. In other words, it breaks this contact here. There's no longer 12 volts flowing from here to here when this relay turns on. When this relay turns on, the voltage is broken going to here. This relay drops, the motor shuts down, and you've got the end of the cycle. There's no need to push a button, do anything to end that cycle. Just when the balance beam balances, it shuts everything down and it's ready for a new cycle. So that's pretty much the explanation, other than I didn't touch on diode polarity. You've got your anode here, you've got your cathode here, as denoted by the band on the diode, and you've got your cathode here and your anode here. So what that does is that anytime you've got a relay on and the field collapses, it produces a voltage when it opens up. And basically that just takes care of that for you. So this is video number 3. Remember, keep it simple, keep it quick, keep it fast.